Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your devices. Make sure your Mac runs macOS Catalina or later and that your iPhone is unlocked. Connect the iPhone to the Mac with a compatible cable and tap Trust on the iPhone when asked. That authorizes Finder access. Once connected, open Finder and select your device in the sidebar. Before updating, make a backup to the Mac or iCloud so you can restore if anything goes wrong. This protects photos, messages, and settings. With your iPhone selected in Finder, go to the General tab and click Check for Update to see available iOS versions. If an update appears, choose Download and Update. Agree to the software license when prompted so the Mac can retrieve the installer. The Mac will download the update and then transfer it to the iPhone. Make sure the cable stays connected and keep Finder open. Interrupting the connection can stall or corrupt the installation and require a restore. When installation completes, your iPhone will often restart and display a progress bar. Wait until the home or lock screen appears. Once finished, check Settings General about to confirm the new iOS version. If the update fails, try a different certified cable and restart both Mac and iPhone, then attempt the process again. If it still fails, use Finder to place the iPhone into recovery mode and reinstall iOS. Only restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.